Hey friend, it's a girl Precious Kyla today. I'm very sure that you are curious on how you can grow from 0 to 1 million naira. And I know it's really achievable within a certain period of time. But the truth is, none of these methods I'm about to show you are overnight result BS. It takes a lot of time, self development, discipline, and a can do spirit to get there. But first, you must have a vision. If you are given a million naira today, what would you do with it? Plan and be clear on why you want to achieve such an amount and then get to work. And then some of the legit ways to get such an amount is through number one, learning a skill. Let's say you are interested in digital marketing, invest time in mastering SEO, social media marketing, and content creation. Not only does this make you a valuable asset, but it positions you to offer services that businesses are willing to pay for. Remember, the more in demand your skill, the higher your earning potential, and that's the truth. Number two, give yourself 3 to 6 months, disappear and reappear. When you set a timeline for self improvement, it's going to really help you in honing your skills. So disappearing from your regular routine allows you to focus fully in learning and personal growth. I mean, imagine dedicating 6 months to honing your craft, whether it's graphic design, programming, or any other skill. The transformative results and progress from this period of time can actually be a significant thing in your finance and also in the future. Number three, have a mentor or coach who's been successful in what you want to achieve, not people who just talk. I mean, people who have real results. Have a mentor who has tangible results in your desired field. It's really going to be a game changer for you. Their guidance and real world experience can fast track your progress. Learning from their successes and failures can provide valuable insights that books and courses might not even offer you. Number four, get serious with your social media presence. And most importantly, be visible enough to be seen because your online presence is your virtual store. So be intentional about curating content that reflects your expertise and interests. Consistency is key in this aspect. So you have to engage with your audience, participate in relevant discussions, conversations, and also showcase your journey transparently. The more visible and authentic you are, the more likely you are to attract opportunities and even collaborations. Number five, offer valuable content that inspire and educate people. When you are creating content that adds value to your audience, it's going to be a powerful strategy, whether it is through informative blog posts or articles, engaging videos, or even insightful social media posts. When you position yourself as a source of inspiration and knowledge, people constantly would find value in what you share, and they're more likely going to become your followers, customers, or even your clients. Number six, practice your skills for free for people who need them and get recommendations from them. For example, you went to Google Skill Shop and learned how to add people's businesses on Google. Don't wait till you get a paid offer. Visit some offline business owners that sell products and offer to add their businesses to Google, thereby giving them the online visibility and making it easier for customers to locate them online. I mean, then you have an agreement for a certain period of time, get your recommendations. Little by little, you are going to build a portfolio that screams hire me. When you take proactive steps to showcase your skills, it's going to lead to invaluable opportunities. Imagine offering to enhance online presence of a local business by adding them to Google. This not only provides them with visibility, but also positions you as a proactive problem solver. As you accumulate recommendations and success stories, your credibility and demand for your services will naturally grow. Number seven, don't be too rigid. You have to try different content formats and stick to the platform your audience is on, especially as a newbie. Adaptability is very key in this aspect. And you have to experiment with different content formats to see which one resonates best with your audience, whether it's a short form video, long form blog post, or engaging podcasts. Where you diversify your content, it keeps your audience engaged. Additionally, you have to be mindful of the platforms your audience are mostly active, focusing on the right channels and ensuring that your content reaches the maximum number of potential followers or customers. Number 8, you can also register on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and be active. Freelancing platforms actually broadens your reach and connects you with global audience. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allows you to showcase your skills and offer your services to a diverse clientele. And when you actively participate in these platforms, not only does it expose you to your potential clients, but also hones your ability to market yourself effectively. And you have to treat each project as an opportunity to refine your skills and build a robust portfolio. Number 9, study the chosen platform and take courses to understand how to get gigs. For example, when you choose LinkedIn, you have to take time to study the platform you chose and understanding how the algorithm works, optimizing your profile for maximum visibility, and leveraging any available tool to showcase your expertise. When you invest in courses specific to your skills and how to get opportunities, this equips you with the knowledge and skills needed to stand out in a competitive marketplace. Number 10, build your brand on LinkedIn. Right now, if you are a business owner and you don't have a professional presence on LinkedIn, then I feel you need a deliverance. Even if you are active on LinkedIn, check if you are really building a brand or just posting. LinkedIn is a powerhouse for professional networking and brand building, and establishing a strong presence on this platform can actually open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and business opportunities. As a business owner or a service provider, neglecting LinkedIn is the same as missing out on a goldmine of connections. Share your achievements, insights, and industry knowledge to position yourself as a thought leader within your niche. All these are ideas to work on if you want to really grow from 0 to 1 million at least. And as I said, these are not overnight successes. You need to pick, you need to plan, you need to master these things. And hey, if you found this video valuable, kindly smash the subscribe button right now and leave a comment below. And don't forget to click on the notification bell to get notified when I upload a video. Have a nice day.